Today article written by Vijay Mauli, the 14th of February 2025. Decoding the Indian consumer. The psychology of digital marketing. Digital marketing in India isn't just about selling products, it's about understanding the psychology of the Indian customer. This means looking beyond simple demographics and getting into the minds of your potential buyers. Marketers who truly understand this have a huge advantage. They can create campaigns that speak directly to customers' needs and desires, building trust and loyalty that keeps people coming back for more. On the other hand, marketers who ignore the psychology behind it all are basically just shouting into the void. Their campaigns end up feeling generic and impersonal, which can be a major turn-off for Indian consumers. So, what makes the Indian consumer tick? Well, that's a big question with a lot of layers, but let's start with a few key things to think about. Firstly, unlike Western markets where individualism often takes center stage, community and relationships are absolutely central to Indian culture. This shows up in how people make buying decisions. Recommendations from friends and family carry a lot of weight. Marketers that can tap into these social networks will have a much easier time gaining trust. Secondly, while the younger generation in urban centers might be influenced more by Western trends, the vast majority of India still values tradition and family. This means campaigns that resonate with these values will likely perform better. For example, ads featuring happy families or that highlight respect for elders can be very effective. Thirdly, price sensitivity is a big deal in India. People are looking for the best value for their money, but that doesn't mean they'll sacrifice quality. Marketers need to be smart about how they position their products, highlighting the value and benefits without making it seem too expensive. And finally, emotions play a huge role in Indian advertising. People here tend to make decisions based on how they feel, not just on logic. This means ads that evoke strong emotions, whether positive or negative, will capture more attention and be more memorable. Understanding these psychological factors is just the beginning. Marketers also need to stay up to date on the latest digital trends and technologies. The key is finding the right balance between understanding the customer and using the right tools to reach them. Want to learn more? Hey there! If you are looking for more tips on digital marketing and the psychology of the Indian consumer, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got lots of videos on different strategies and tactics. And to stay even more up to date, follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. We share exclusive content, behind the scenes stuff, and quick marketing tips over there.